Asterisk asterisk title, Unlocking Opportunities, Offline Digital Marketing Courses in India asterisk asterisk. In a world where digital presence is paramount, the demand for skilled digital marketers is ever growing. Despite the prevalence of online resources, there's still immense value in offline digital marketing courses in India. These courses offer hands-on learning experiences, networking opportunities, and personalized guidance that online platforms often can't replicate. Let's delve into the significance and offerings of offline digital marketing courses in India. Asterisk asterisk why choose offline digital marketing courses? Asterisk asterisk 1. Asterisk asterisk interactive learning environment. Asterisk asterisk offline courses provide face-to-face interactions with instructors and peers, fostering a collaborative learning atmosphere. 2. Asterisk asterisk practical training. Asterisk asterisk hands-on exercises, real-world case studies, and live projects allow students to apply theoretical concepts in practical scenarios. 3. Asterisk asterisk networking opportunities. Asterisk asterisk offline courses facilitate networking with industry professionals, fellow students, and guest speakers, enhancing career prospects and industry connections. 4. Asterisk asterisk personalized guidance. Asterisk asterisk instructors can provide personalized feedback, guidance, and mentorship tailored to each student's learning pace and objectives. Asterisk asterisk key components of offline digital marketing courses. Asterisk asterisk 1. Asterisk asterisk comprehensive curriculum. Asterisk asterisk covering essential topics such as SEO, SEM, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, analytics, and emerging trends in the digital landscape. 2. Asterisk asterisk practical assignments. Asterisk asterisk hands-on exercises, group projects, and real-time campaign management tasks to develop practical skills and problem-solving abilities. 3. Asterisk asterisk industry insights. Asterisk asterisk guest lectures, workshops, and panel discussions featuring industry experts sharing their experiences, best practices, and insights into the evolving digital marketing ecosystem. 4. Asterisk asterisk certifications and accreditations. Asterisk asterisk courses often offer certifications from reputed institutions or industry bodies, adding credibility to student skill sets and enhancing employability. Asterisk asterisk top offline digital marketing courses in India. Asterisk asterisk 1. Asterisk asterisk institutes and universities. Asterisk asterisk reputed educational institutions across India offer diploma, certificate, and postgraduate programs in digital marketing with offline classroom sessions. 2. Asterisk asterisk specialized training centers. Asterisk asterisk dedicated digital marketing training centers and academies provide focused courses with practical exposure and industry relevant curriculum. 3. Asterisk asterisk corporate training programs. Asterisk asterisk some companies and organizations conduct in-house digital marketing training for their employees, tailored to their specific industry and business needs. Asterisk asterisk unlock your potential with offline digital marketing courses. Asterisk asterisk embark on your journey to becoming a proficient digital marketer by enrolling in an offline digital marketing course in India. Gain invaluable insights, practical skills, and industry connections that will propel your career to new heights. Asterisk asterisk free consultation and additional resources. Asterisk asterisk for personalized guidance and assistance in choosing the right offline digital marketing course for your career aspirations, contact us at +91 9864 170343 or +91 9864 855058. Our experts are here to help you unlock your full potential in the dynamic field of digital marketing. In conclusion, offline digital marketing courses in India offer a unique blend of interactive learning, practical training, and industry insights that empower students to excel in the competitive landscape of digital marketing. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow, and seize the endless possibilities that await in the digital realm. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब ** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।